Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to analyze the daily returns on share prices of any company using descriptive statistics. First, we need to go to Yahoo Finance. So Yahoo Finance. And search for the company that you're interested in. For me, it's NVIDIA, for example. If you don't know what NVIDIA is, so it's a company famous for producing graphic cards, and the CEO is Jensen Huang. So go to historical data. Choose a time period that you're interested in, maybe before COVID and after COVID. Click Done. Choose historical prices and frequency is daily. Click Applied. Click Download and then save this file in your folder. Download. Save. Open the file and save as Excel. Okay. Now, we're only interested in the adjusted close share price because it's the share price at the end of the day adjusted for the payment of dividends, share buyback. So delete only the other one. Price. And now we calculate the returns. So the returns will be in percentage. So you get the new price divided by the old one minus 1 and times 100. Next, we create a table of descriptive statistics. We want to analyze the before and after COVID, right? Let's say time period is before COVID. So at the start and the beginning of COVID, let's see. After COVID will be the 1st of March 2020 to end of February 2023. Now, list on the descriptive statistics that you're interested in. For example, mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, range, standard deviation, variance, first quartile, third quartile, interquartile range, 90th percentile, and 99th percentile. Now, what you need to do is to give a name to the data range. So because you're gonna choose the before COVID, the return before COVID again and again for each formula. So you want to give it a name. So select this table, go to data, filter. Here you can choose the period before COVID and name this period as before. And similarly, we can choose the period after COVID and name it as after. The mean will be average. We use indirect before to reference the cell. The median will be median. Mode. So there's no mode available. Mean. max the range will be the maximum minus the minimum. Standard deviation will be choose the sample standard deviation, not the population standard deviation. The variance, also choose the sample variance. First quartile, choose the exclude ones. Choose the array and then choose the quartile. So we're interested in the first quartile, so 1. Similarly, just quartile. Third quartile. Interquartile range will be the third quartile minus the first one, 90th percentile. So percentile, exclude, choose the array. K will be 0.9. We just change this one to 0.99. And then just copy this one here. So the mode is not available. So what you want to do is reduce the number of decimal places. And then now it's your job to interpret the findings. So compare the mean and the median before and after. Which one is higher? Right. So in our discussion, we have to answer. We have to compare the mean and the median, both before and after COVID. And then we need to compare the standard deviation and interquartile range before and after COVID to see if higher returns mean higher risk. What we can also do is to draw a histogram. So let's say we select the before COVID. Right. Just select this one. You want to paste values. And say COVID. These are all before COVID period. And then select on the after COVID period. So let's say this is after. Okay, now we want to draw a histogram. Let's say from here, go to insert histogram. Yep, we need to name is at daily return on NVIDIA share price before COVID. So just leave it there and then select the after period. Click insert histogram. So don't forget to change title to after. And remember to name the horizontal and vertical axis as well. So this is the return measured in percentage, and this is the number of day. Similarly, do the same thing for this one. You can change by the format of the horizontal axis by double click on that and go to number to 0 decimal place or 2 decimal place. Now it's so much better. Okay, you can draw a box plot by choosing these two: insert, box, and whisker. Let me do it again. So double click on the graph, go to view, and choose a different color, for example, yellow. If you don't like this one, you can format to go to view, leave it at white. So double click on here and double click on this one. Border will be black if you prefer the black and white version, and change it to the daily return on NVIDIA share price. So before and after COVID, and here you will have before and after COVID-19. It returns in percentage. Do the same thing for this one, and there we have it. Now you have to compare, discuss about its central tendency, discuss about dispersion, which one has more variability, discuss about the shape of the distribution. So is it normal, symmetric, or unimodal, bimodal, etc. And discuss the outliner and its impact on the central tendency and the dispersion, or any other chain that you find key finding. And also maybe interpret the data. So what does it mean? Should anyone invest it in the before period or after COVID period? Is it consistent with the higher risk, higher return trade-off theory? Yeah, this is more important than just generate data. Thank you for watching the video.